Hello everyone, myself Chandupriya Naidu. Now I'm going to present global IT outsourcing and its impacts on Google. Coming to the introduction to global IT outsourcing, it refers to the practice of hiring external vendors or third party services providers to manage and execute IT tasks, functions, or processes that would typically be performed in house. Coming to the global business contents, with the rise of globalization and advancements in technology, companies across the world are increasingly relying on outsourcing as on strategic business tool. And coming to its scopes and trends, the outsourcing market has evolved significantly. Initially, companies outsourced low level tasks or call center jobs, but now outsourcing encompasses highly technical and strategic functions, including software development, cybersecurity, AI services, and cloud solutions. Coming to the benefits of global IT outsourcing, cost saving is one of the primary drivers for IT outsourcing. Is this potential for substantial cost reductions. Outsourcing also allows business to access labor in countries where wages are significantly lower than in their home countries, such as India or the Philippines. Coming to the access to expertise, IT outsourcing enables companies to tap into a global talent pool of highly specialized professionals, such as example as a business may need cutting edge expertise in machine learning, but hiring a full-time in-house expert may be expensive and impractical. Coming to the scalability and flexibility, outsourcing provides flexibility that is critical in today's fast-paced business environment. Coming to the key drawbacks of global IT outsourcing, loss of control is when a company outsources its IT function, it gives up some level of control over the process involved. For instance, if an outsourced vendor follows a different project management methodology, it may result in misaligned priorities or delays. Coming to the communication challenges, global outsourcing often involves working with teams across different time zones, cultural backgrounds, and languages. And some of the security risks, sharing sensitive data with third party vendors creates security risk, especially when compliance with data protection regulations is not carefully monitored. Coming to the overview of the Google's IT strategy, cloud computing. Google has invested heavily in cloud computing, offering services through Google Cloud. This infrastructure allows business to scale their operation globally. Data-driven decision making. Google's IT strategy relies heavily on data analytics to guide decision making across its entire product suite. For example, Google Search, YouTube, and other services use massive amounts of data to personalize content. Coming to the AI and machine learning, AI and machine learning are centered to Google's IT strategy. The company integrates these technologies across its products from Google Assistant and Google Translate to self-driving cars through Waymo. And coming to the role of outsourcing in Google's IT strategy, cloud services and data centers outsourced has leveraged third-party cloud services and data center providers for some of its infrastructure needs. And it also works with external vendors for specialized services such as hardware provisioning and certain cloud functions. Collaboration with these third party AI vendors, Google collaborates with external partners to augment its AI capabilities. Offshore development teams to handle the software development and other technical tasks. Coming to the benefits Google gains from outsourcing, cost reduction and resource optimization, and improved speed to the market and access to the global talent. Outsourcing strategy helps them tap into a talent pool that spans contents. Coming to the challenges Google faces due to outsourcing, vendor management complexity. Managing multiple outsourced vendors across different regions can lead to challenges such as inconsistent service quality, miscommunication, and varying contractual terms. Risk of dependency, relying on external vendors for critical IT functions can create risk. Aligning external teams with internal culture. And coming to the final thoughts on IT outsourcing in Google strategy, balancing risk and rewards, the future of IT outsourcing for Google. Uh, it will need to manage outsourcing carefully, practically in the areas of cybersecurity and vendor management. Here, coming to the conclusion, summary of benefits, recap the key benefits of global IT outsourcing, including cost saving, access to expertise, and scalability. Highlight how outsourcing plays a pivotal role in Google's ability to scale its operations. And final thoughts conclude emphasizing the growing role of IT outsourcing in the global business.